Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Cancers. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, guys, and this card is for your career situation. And today we'll be picking one card for your moon energies. I will leave it here. And one fortune cookie card for you all. We will see what it is as we proceed into the reading, guys, Cancers. If you like this reading, if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine, a very intuitive reader who does personal reading in Fiverr. So if you are interested, you can contact her, guys. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. Cancer. So we have Queen of Swords, Six of Wands, Four of Swords. So today in your circumstances, maybe in your work or in your relationship, you have something on your mind, guys. Something is worrying you or stressing you. Maybe you are thinking about some decisions you need to make or you have made in your past, and you just want to take back those choices today, feeling really sad for the way things went because of your choices, and you don't know what to do or how to change these circumstances. Maybe it may be some mistakes on your part, something that you did, and you simply want to change it today, and you are wishing that things went differently, maybe in this relationship, guys, Cancers. So you have done something, it may be your energy or their energy towards this connection, guys. Maybe they have done something to you and they are simply regretting this, feeling really sad, and they are thinking of ways to correct it, and they feel really embarrassed and guilty for whatever they have done to you for this relationship. Maybe you had good things in this connection, you were having a good time, feeling really happy, loving each other's company, but something went wrong. Maybe it may be some mistakes on your part, or maybe they are mistakes. Something has ruined the way things were, and today you are regretting the, maybe thinking of the past, or for some of you, it may even be your present circumstance. So, for most of you, I see you are away from this person and you're thinking of ways to get back to them. Maybe you're thinking of reconciliation, guys, Cancers. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We picked one card and it is Fool in reverse. So with this card, again, this card just means that you're quite careless. So when it was your time to take up the reins, maybe in this relationship, to do the things in the right way, you missed that opportunity. And you are really sad because of that. So you had a good chance of putting things back on track with this person. And all that mistakes you did, maybe you had the chance to find the solution for that, but today you are regretting that. That may be the energy here, guys. So you just want to change things, go back to where your situation was in this relationship, but you don't know how to do or what to do. So that may be the reason you are thinking within yourself the right way to handle this circumstance, or what will be the future for you in this relationship, guys, Cancers. So let's see what is the card for your career circumstance. We picked one card and it is Six of Pentacles in reverse. So maybe in your work situation there are people quite, what to say, jealous of your talents and skills, and they are waiting to grab your opportunities. So you must be very careful, attentive. You must not make any what to say rash decisions today that is going to land you in some difficulty. So you must think it through whatever you are doing and be really attentive, careful in your work situation, because there are people waiting to what to say pull you down, grab your opportunities today, guys. They are very jealous of you, Cancers. So for your fortune, before our fortune cookie, we will see what is our moon energy card, guys, Cancers. So we have full moon, surrender to the divine. So with this card, it just means that there is some kind of a completion coming to you, guys. Maybe certain things may go as you had hoped for, but certain things may not. So it is either a make or a break time for you. But it is a very positive card here, guys. So maybe things may go in your favor, and you need to work more harder, make more efforts today, and keep a cool head as events unfold in your life. And maybe today your circumstances are making you very emotional, quite emotional today, but you need to have that calm and composed attitude. That attitude of yours is going to help you a lot in these circumstances. And you need to understand that there are huge changes coming in your life today, guys. And today you need to forgive and move on. Maybe let go of all that negative emotions you have and feel really positive. If possible, you can forgive and forget that person involved and move on with your life. That is going to help you a lot in your life today, Cancers. So let's see what is your fortune cookie, guys. It's tough and trying times. Tough times ahead. Think long term and make decisions accordingly. Avoid negative people at all costs. A very good thing, guys. So we were talking about negative energy. So you need to even avoid negative people. So having that calm and composed attitude is going to help you in a very good way today, Cancers. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Cancers. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow, guys, with another reading. Bye, Cancers.